Hello bachcho, let us read this question. The question says if lambda x square minus 10xy plus 12y square plus 5x minus 16y minus 3 equal to 0 represents a pair of a straight line, then the equation of one of them, right? तो गाइस सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि इसमें क्या की कॉन्सेप्ट यूज कर सकते हैं. सो द की कॉन्सेप्ट इज condition for pair of straight lines and splitting equation of pair of lines, right? तो आइए सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं. तो हमारे पास जो इक्वेशन गिवन है उसको अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो कुछ ऐसा है. वी हैव लेमडा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 10xy प्लस 12y स्क्वायर प्लस 5x माइनस 16y माइनस 3 इक्वल टू 0. तो गाइस सबसे पहले हमें ये देखना है कि ये सेकेंड डिग्री का इक्वेशन कब रिप्रेजेंट करेगा किसी भी पेयर ऑफ लाइंस को. तो अगर जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ सेकेंड डिग्री लें हम एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2hxy प्लस by स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस gx प्लस ट्वाइस fy प्लस c इक्वल टू 0. तो ये कब रिप्रेजेंट करता है एक पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन को? जब ये डिटर्मिनेंट 0 होता है. कौन सा डिटर्मिनेंट? a b c f g h देन h g f. जब ये डिटर्मिनेंट 0 होगा तो हमारा ये लाइन पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. अब कंपेयर कर लें तो देखिए यहाँ पे इन सारे को की वैल्यू, जैसे a क्या है हमारा? लेमडा. b क्या है जी हमारा? 12. c क्या है? -3. h अगर ध्यान से देखें तो 2h इज इक्वल टू -10. तो h की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? दिस इज -5. एंड देन वी विल हैव g. सो कंपेयरिंग 2g is equal to 5, तो g will be equal to 5/2. And finally f. So 2f is equal to -16, so f will be equal to -8. So ये डिटर्मिनेंट 0 करके सबसे पहले हम लेमडा फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ठीक है जी, तो चलिए फटाफट लेमडा निकाल लेते हैं. सो वी विल हैव ABC, that is lambda 12 and -3, 12 and -3. This determinant will be equal to 0. Here we will have f. What is f? It is -8. So f is -8. G is 5/2. So g is 5/2. And what is our h? H is -5. So we will have -5, 5/2, and it is -8. Now we will expand this determinant and find the value of lambda. So lambda into, delete this, 12 into -3, this is -36, minus -8 into -8, so it will be -64. Here we will have already minus, so it will become +5. We are expanding about first row, so delete this, that will become -5 into -3 is 15. And then we will have plus 5 4 ja 20, right? And then we will have plus 5/2 into, delete this, 8 5 ja 40. And then we will have this into this, so 2 6 ja 6 5 ja 30, that is -30. That will be equal to 0. So here we will have lambda and it will be added, so it will be -100. This will be 35. 35 into 5 is 175, plus here we will have 10 we will divide by 2, so it will be 5, 5 5 are 25. This is equal to 0. So it is lambda into minus 100, it will be 200 and it will go this side, so it will be minus 200. So the value of lambda here will be equal to 2, right? So if lambda will be 2, then this equation will represent a pair of straight line. Now we need to find the equation of one of them. So putting the value of lambda in this equation, what we will have the equation, basically we have to see. So finally the equation is 2x square minus 10xy minus 10xy plus 12y square. Then we have plus 5x minus 16y minus 3 equal to 0, right? Now we have to split this pair of lines in its component equation. So what we will do, first of all we will factorize this part, right? So it will be 12 into 2 24. See, this is 2x square, and we will split minus 4xy minus 6xy plus 12y square plus 5x minus 16y minus 3 equal to 0. So here we can take common 2x. So it will be x minus 2y. Here we will take common 3y. So we will have 2x minus, not 3x, here we will take 6. This is 6y. So if we will take 6y, then we will have x here. We will have x here, not 2x. X minus 2y plus 5x minus 16y minus 3 equal to 0, right? We'll go to the next page. तो यहाँ से देखिए फैक्टर बन जाएगा यहाँ से यहाँ तक, right? So we will factorize it first. So we will have x minus 2y into 2x minus 6y, 2x minus 6y, and now we will have plus 5x minus 16y minus 3 equal to 0. Now here we will now do something. Let's see what we will do. X minus 2y into 2x minus 6y, and we will write this factor twice, right? It's like x minus 2y, and we will give a little gap 2x minus 6y, and we will write minus 3 here. Now we will take the prime factorization of 3, that will be 1 and 3. We will do this plus minus 1 plus minus 3. Now we have to put this plus minus 1 or plus minus 3 here, so that it will become this. So let's see here. If we will, here we have 5x, right? If we will put here, suppose we will put here plus 3, plus 3 here. So plus 3, it will be 6x, and it will be minus 1, so it will become like plus 5x. But if we will put here plus 6, so it will be plus 3, so it will be minus 18 and minus 1, so it will be fine. So we'll put minus 1 here and plus 3 here. So it will become x minus 2y into 2x minus 6y, and now we have minus 1 into x minus 2y plus 3 into 2x minus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. Now we can take x minus 2y common. So it is x minus 2y. So here we will have 2x minus 6y, and here it will be minus 1. Now here take common 3. So we will take common 3. We will have 2x minus 6y minus 1, that is equal to 0. Now you can see this 2x minus 1, 2x minus 6y minus 1 and 2x minus 6 minus y is common. So 2x minus 6y minus 1, and then it will be into x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Now 2x minus 6y minus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 are the two component lines of that pair of equation of lines. Now we will see option में कौन कौन सा हमारे पास है. So we have 2x minus 6y minus 1, this is one of them, and x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, this is one of them. So A and D, I think, let me cross check. So x minus 2y plus 3, x minus 2y plus 3, it's right. And then we have 2x minus 6y minus 1. So 2x minus 6y minus 1. So A and D are correct. So finally guys, our answer is A and D, and I hope you understood it well.